What did you do, Josh?
Ah! Ah! He was hurting me. Take off. Now, go to the bathroom. He didn't tell me he wasn't supposed to.
What did he do?
He was beating on me, and I got agitated, and so I finally hit him.
So now he's running from you because he's scared?
Yep. He's scared of his own brother. He'd be scared of his own shadow if I beat him up. Of course, I'm not allowed to beat him up that much.
You're not allowed to beat him up at all.
Until at least.
What do you have?
What? Popsicles. I'm making myself something to drink.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously.
You're such a dork.
Well, we kind of have nothing else.
We got like 3 cases of water over there on the floor.
4.
3. Because Dusty drank the last one in the 4th case. That wasn't cool.
Either way, I'm still making myself something to drink.
It makes no sense for you to put a popsicle in a cup and microwave it because you want something to drink. It makes no sense to do that. You know this, right?
Actually, kind of. When you think about it, all popsicle is frozen flavored water.
You know what? It don't matter if it's frozen flavored water. It makes no sense for you to sit there and do that. It makes no sense.
It does. It does.
No, it doesn't. How does that make sense to you?
Whatever.
Whatever is right because you're a dork. And you know it. This is stuff you do all the time. Shake your bonbon, shake your bonbon. You're going to do it with another one now?
Yes, I have to have multiple in order to fill it up.
Oh my god.
Do it with like 30. These packages.
Why would you do that? That's wasting popsicles.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm using them for my own creative purposes.
Your own creative, is that your excuse?
Yeah.
Your own creative purposes?
Yeah.
You're a dork. And you know what? Now YouTube's going to know that you're a dork because I'm going to put this on YouTube.
That's fine.
Oh my god. I have like light disturbances on here.
This thing is so weird. It like I can't. It's like Jake trying to copy the thing. in the window. He's like, Hello, YouTube viewers. It's another average day in the Johnson household.
The Johnson household.
Well, it is Grandma and Grandpa's.
Yeah, I'm aware whose house it is. And more popsicles. Oh my god.
Yes. I told you, I used like 3 things of these.
You're wasting them. I bought them for you guys to eat, and you guys won't even eat them.
I'm drinking them.
It's drinking them and eating them are 2 different things.
Well, technically it's not.
Technically it is.
It all goes down the same hole
And there's the cup with the popsicle sticking out of it.
that I use for my own creative purposes. Shit! And now I have popsicle water! I love Sonic. Try and be like Sonic.
I almost dropped the computer. There's something wrong with him. There really is. What are you going to do when your girlfriend sees this on YouTube?
I have no idea.
Exactly.
I'm not even sure my girlfriend watches YouTube.
Mom, can I have some salsa for these chips? They taste better without salsa.
Alright, get the sauce out of the fridge.
Alright.
Alright, let me turn it back around.
Really? No.
Yeah.
Let's get rid of this shit leaking all over the fucking table. Come on, get it out of here.
This?
No, this.
No, I'm trying.
Alright. I got the salsa.
Just getting more. Get rid of that. Throw it away, Ellie. Come on. We're not wiping that. We're wiping the fucking table. Who's played here? That would be your granddaughters, and not that granddaughter, the other one.
Kevin.
Miss, I'm pregnant, so I have to eat everything in the house. You're in the way. I'm trying to catch him while he's drinking this. Drinking what? His popsicle microwaved water. It's not done yet, or you want to drink it hot?
No, it's not done yet.
Leave her alone! Let go of her.
Alright.
Alright, come over here, because I want to see you drink this. Oh yeah, let's get your nose up in it, because it's all about you, ain't it? Move! You don't need it, everyone!
I'm not in it. I could be on.
Tastes good.
I could get in.
You're a dork.